If you have a plumbing problem, you need a licensed plumber, certified technicians, and experts you can trust. That's exactly what you'll get with Southwood Plumbing Incorporated. Proudly serving the South Bay and Los Angeles areas since 1991, we offer competitive rates, professional service, and immediate response times. And we only use the highest quality parts. Our repairs start at just $79.99 and installation at just $99.99. So whether you have a clogged toilet or a leaky faucet, a backed up sewer, clogged drain, or gas issues, we can help. We also offer expert heating and cooling repairs and installation services as well. Whether it's replacing an air filter, inspecting heat exchangers, inspecting gas connectors, or more, we can do it. Locally owned and operated and trusted by our customers, we perform each job to code and guarantee your satisfaction or your money back. Proudly serving residential, commercial, and industrial customers, we offer protection, precision, and excellence on each job. Call Southwood Plumbing today at 1-310-328-6522 or visit us online at www.southwoodplumbing.com.